Hello guys, welcome to another video on Gallant Tech. Today we're going to be doing a hands-on review of iPhone SE of 2020. Let's see what do we have in the box. We have the documentation. We have the standard charger. And we have the Lightning headphones and the cable to charge your phone. This is mentioned in the description above. Let's keep the phone aside. Let's talk about the phone. It has an A13 chipset, which is same as iPhone 11 Pro. We have a display of 4.7 inches LCD. It's a true tone display. Haptic touch, 625 nits of the max brightness. And we have 1334 into 750 pixel at 326 ppi. Talking about the size, the height is 5.45 inches. And the width is 2.65 inches. Weight is 148 grams. And we have a depth of 0.29 inches. Talking about the body, we have an aluminum body and we have a very glossy finish. It's not like the iPhone 11 Pro, which has a matte finish. Talking about the camera, we have a 12 megapixel wide camera. We just have one camera here. That provides you with 5x digital zoom, optical image stabilization, and gives you a flash which is true tone. Talking about the video, what it shoots from this camera is 4K at 24, 30 and 60 frames per second. If you shoot at 1080, we're gonna have 30 to 60. And down to 720, you can only shoot at 30 frames per second. Let's talk about the front camera. We have one single camera. It has 7 megapixel and 1080 30 frames per second. That's the video. Talking about the Touch ID, we have a fingerprint sensor here. The bezels have become smaller. You're going to be talking about the waterproof of this phone is IP67 only. So that gives you 30 minutes into 1 meters. And Apple doesn't cover you with the water damages, so please don't take it for a shower. Talking about the battery, it lasts exactly like the iPhone 8. And about the fast charging, it gives you a charge of 50% in 30 minutes with the 18-watt adapter. But that's not included in the box, you need to buy it separately. iPhone 8 supports wireless charging. There is no headphones, but you can listen to the audio and the talk over the earpods, which has been in the box. It's called the Lightning connector. SIM card. It comes with the dual SIM card. It's an eSIM and a physical SIM. That's all about the iPhone here. It's pretty much very close to the iPhone 8. But if you're going to compare it with the iPhone 11 Pro Max, yeah, it's a different thing. You can use this as a normal thing. If you've been coming from iPhone 11 or 11 Pro Max, it might be difficult for you to use it. This is just a physical layout of the iPhone 11 Pro Max and the iPhone SE. I'm not comparing it with it because it's two different devices. Yeah, it comes from the Apple, but iPhone 11 Pro Max has no bezel. It just have a notch here, but iPhone SE has a larger bezel. That's because we have a fingerprint sensor, we have a Face ID here. Talking about the camera, you have 3 cameras here, you have single camera. I hope I covered up all the key features of the iPhone SE. If you like the video, please share. If you have any comments, please write it down in the comment section. Thank you for watching and stay safe.